Welcome viewers, welcome to the YouTube channel KSR Vidya Online. In this episode, we are going to discuss about the various applications of ChatGPT in the classroom and beyond the classroom. As a first application, let us see how to write a letter. Because all the teachers and students, we are writing various letters. Now let us see how to write a letter. See, for example, you please give the prompt to the ChatGPT. I am a teacher working in a school. Write a leave letter to the principal asking for leave due to headache. Crisp within 5 sentences. And you give the prompt in a very clear way, and then only the ChatGPT can understand. So here it is, everything is clear. You are asking for a leave letter to the principal, asking for leave due to headache, and the leave letter should be very crisp and within 5 sentences. So everything is very clear. And so the behavior of the ChatGPT depends upon what prompt that you are giving. Now let us see what it is providing. See, it has given clearly, dear principal, and all the content, and sincerely your name, your designation, and your contact information. So in that, we can instruct the ChatGPT to write leave letters. So in that way, it is very much useful. Next usage of ChatGPT, it will help you to write the interview. So interview questions and the probable interview answers also. Let us see how. Suppose you are interviewing the director IIT Madras related to what are the job opportunities of data science course. So you please ask ChatGPT, write the interview questions and probable answers for an interview with the director IIT Madras about the job opportunities of data science. So this is the prompt. So you have given the ChatGPT, you want to take an interview, and it has to give the questions and the probable answers about the interview, and the interview topic is the job opportunities of data science. Now you give it, and let us see what ChatGPT is providing us. See, you look at it, it has provided many questions. The first question, can you provide an overview of the current job opportunities in the field of data science? What specific skills or qualifications are sought after by employers in the field of data science? And it has provided the possible answers also. And the second question, what specific skills or qualifications are sought after by employers in the field of data science? And it has given some answers. And like that, it has given many questions. In case, if you want only the questions, then also ChatGPT can give. So in that you give the prompt. So in the above example, provide me some 20 questions, short and crisp. Okay. So now you see, it will give only the question. So the interviewer can ask the questions to the IIT director and he can get the answer. So in that way, the ChatGPT is a very good tool for taking the interviews. And the next very useful application of ChatGPT, it can give you ideas about how to teach a lesson using various teaching methodologies. And we know that there are so many teaching methodologies such as the lecture method and demonstration method, problem solving method, etc. And now, suppose I want to teach a particular lesson in a particular method. Now we can ask the ChatGPT how to teach it. For example, suppose I am a physics teacher. I want to teach Ohm's law. Now I am asking ChatGPT, suggest me how to teach Ohm's law using demonstration method. And now let us see what ChatGPT has given. The introduction, what are the materials, and the demonstration and the measurement and the data analysis. So it has given how to teach the Ohm's law using the demonstration method. The same topic, if you want to teach by using the project method, suggest me how to teach the same topic using project method. Now the methodology is totally different, and we had given the prompt teaching Ohm's law through project method. And we know that the project method, it has so many steps: introduction, the project proposal, and the research and planning, and construction and testing, data collection, reflection, presentation, application, and so on. And now it has totally changed the methodology, and it has given a different methodology for teaching in the same topic by using the project method. That way, it is a very good tool for the teacher to teach topics with different methodologies. The next application is brainstorming. We all know that suppose if we want to collect so many ideas from different people, then we are using the brainstorming method. Now let us see how ChatGPT can help you in brainstorming. Suppose I want to have a brainstorming session related to a particular topic, for example, the environmental pollution. Now I have given the prompt, provide me 20 ideas how to reduce environmental pollution using brainstorming method. The ideas very crisp and short. Now you see ChatGPT has given some 20 ideas, very short: promote renewable energy resources, encourage widespread adoption. So like that it has given some 20 ideas. So in that way we can use the ChatGPT for the brainstorming method also. Some other usages, it can give you jokes also. See, for example, provide me 2 jokes related to history. So it has given 2 jokes. The joke, why did the archaeologists bring a ladder to the excavation site? The answer, because they heard the history was high up and buried deep. So by that it can give you the jokes also, and it can give songs also. So you may wonder, see, for example, that I am asking, write a song about Sarda College of Education. So I asked ChatGPT to write a song about Sarda College of Education, and it has given some 5 verses. See, verse 1, so verse 2, the chorus, and then like that it has given a song. In case that I am extending further, I am asking it to write a musical note, for the song, that is using C major scale. So I am asking ChatGPT to, that is, sing the song in the C major scale. So for that I am asking it to write the musical notes. So now let us see what it has given. See, it has given the notes for all that, C, D, E, F, like that by using the C major scale, that it has provided you the musical note. See, I am asking ChatGPT to write the musical notation using F minor scale. F minor is another scale. And see, it has given the musical notation for the same song immediately. So that means that I asked ChatGPT to write the musical notation using F minor scale. F minor is another scale, and it has given the notation like this. So if you put this notation in some other application, then you can produce music also. So in that way, ChatGPT can be a very good music teacher also. And ChatGPT can help you to translate also. See, for example, that I have given the prompt, write a paragraph about Mahatma Gandhi. So it has immediately given a paragraph, and I want to translate it into Tamil. So now I am asking it, please translate the para in Tamil. So what it has given, it has translated into Tamil, but we know very well that the translation is not perfect. So as far as the translation is concerned, we cannot make the translation as 100% accurate. To some extent that it can give the translation, at the same time we should be very careful about the exact translation, and therefore we have to further modify it according to that our knowledge about the translation. ChatGPT can provide the project ideas also. See, for example, I want to conduct a project related to the environmental pollution. So that I have fed the prompt, provide 10 project ideas about environmental pollution, and provide the implementation strategy also. So what it has given? It has given 10 project ideas. The first idea, wastewater management campaign, and the second one, air quality monitoring and water pollution assessment, and sustainable transportation initiative. Like that, it has given some 10 ideas, and that the wonderful thing is that it has given the implementation strategy also. See, the first project, what is its suggestion? Collaborate with the local authority, NGO, and community member, and develop educational material, organize awareness, etc., etc. So the teacher can directly give the project ideas to the students and the implementation strategy also. So the teacher's work is minimized, and the teacher can get many more ideas also. So in that way, the ChatGPT is a very good companion for the project management. Another application of ChatGPT, it is helping us in organizing the classroom activity also. See, for example, you are organizing a tour from Madurai to Chennai Kalpakkam Atomic Research Center, and for that we want to organize and budgeting and the role allocation, etc. So for that we can use the ChatGPT. Suppose you are writing the prompt, so prepare a activity about a tour from Madurai to Kalpakkam Atomic Power Plant. Provide the budget also. Now you see, it has given a perfect tour planning. So the objective, the budgeting. So it has provided the transport budget and entry fee, the meals and educational material, miscellaneous everything. And actually it has given in dollar. And the implementation strategy, the planning and permission, transportation, guided tour, and interactive session, lunch arrangement, etc., etc. Suppose we want the ChatGPT to provide the budget in rupees, so provide in INR, that means that Indian rupees. So immediately you can see that it will give you the budget in rupees. So it has given the total budget around some 1 lakh something. So In that way, the ChatGPT can be utilized for the organizational purpose also. First, in this episode, we have discussed so many applications of ChatGPT, such as writing letters, essays, translation, writing song, musical notation, project ideas, and organizing a tour, so many other applications also. If this episode is useful to you, give a like and subscribe to it. I thank for watching this channel KSR Vidya Online, and we will produce many more such videos. And thank you for watching the channel. Have a nice day. Thank you.